Have you ever seen a small moment that says more than words ever could? This week, Ben Affleck's son, Fin, stepped out in Los Angeles, and fans noticed something heart-melting: baggy jeans. Cozy pullover. The same relaxed look his dad has worn for years. It wasn't just an outfit. It was a quiet tribute, a reminder that even after life changes, love and connection always find a way to show themselves. Ben Affleck's son, Fin Affleck, has recently caught the attention of many people after stepping out in Los Angeles wearing an outfit that strongly resembled his father's casual, everyday wardrobe. Seen during a friendly outing with his mother, Jennifer Garner, Fin chose a relaxed look that included loose-fitting jeans and a simple pullover sweatshirt. The choice of clothes was more than just a fashion moment. It felt like a warm nod to the style that Ben Affleck has embraced for years. Ben, known for his blockbuster movies and award-winning work in Hollywood, has always shown a preference for comfortable clothing in his daily life. Even when surrounded by cameras and media attention, he often steps out in baggy jeans paired with an easygoing pullover. This familiar wardrobe has become part of his public identity, creating an image of a grounded celebrity who values comfort and simplicity over high-fashion glamour. So, seeing Fin dressed in the same effortless style naturally sparked interest. It showed more than matching outfits. It showed connection, admiration, and the small ways children often take after their parents, even quietly and naturally. These little reflections between parent and child sometimes tell deeper stories about love, bonding, and influence in families. A style that speaks to Ben's personality, Ben Affleck's fashion choices have stayed remarkably consistent through the years. While many actors change their wardrobes to match trends or events, Ben usually sticks to clothing that helps him feel relaxed and at ease. Baggy jeans and pullovers may appear simple, but they represent his down-to-earth personality and his desire to live without unnecessary fuss. He clearly prefers feeling comfortable while navigating a very public life. This quiet style statement has now found its way to Fin, and for many people watching from the outside, it feels like a touching father-child connection. Sometimes identity isn't expressed loudly. Sometimes it comes through in the small habits, choices, and everyday details that children pick up from their parents. Co-parenting with strength and stability, while the fashion moment was sweet on its own, it also highlights the strong sense of family that has continued for Ben and Jennifer Garner after their separation in 2015. Even though their romantic marriage ended, they share 3 children and have worked hard to keep their family close, united, and supported. Their approach has earned admiration from fans and media alike. Ben has openly appreciated Jennifer's role in their lives and often credits her as a wonderful partner in co-parenting. In one interview, he shared sincere words many parents can relate to. "I'm really lucky to have a good co-parent. Jennifer is wonderful and great." These simple statements show deep appreciation, respect, and gratitude, qualities that matter greatly in building a stable family environment after a separation. Putting children first. Always, Ben and Jennifer's main priority has never changed. Their kids' happiness, mental comfort, and emotional well-being come first. They continue to communicate regularly and make decisions together that help their children feel secure and loved. They have also discussed how they handle the inevitable attention and media coverage that comes with being a well-known family. When stories appear that are exaggerated or incorrect, they talk openly with their children so they understand what is real and what is simply noise from the outside world. This honest approach helps their kids build confidence and clarity, allowing them to grow up understanding the difference between personal truth and public curiosity. Heartwarming, a family bond that continues, even through changed life after. Divorce can be incredibly difficult for families, especially when the world is watching. Ben and Jennifer have managed to keep things healthy by staying respectful and supportive of each other. They attend events for their children, they share responsibilities, and they do their best to create a loving space where their kids feel secure. They are often seen in public with their children, and each time they appear together, there is a sense of unity, even though they have built separate personal lives. These moments remind people that family bonds do not break just because life paths shift. Sometimes they grow in new ways. Fin's choice to dress like Ben is one of those gentle, meaningful expressions. It shows admiration, familiarity, and comfort, a signal that the connection remains strong even after major life changes. A glimpse into a loving household, While fans often focus on Ben's movie projects, his career success, or his public appearances, moments like this give insight into something much simpler and more personal. A dad influencing his child in natural, everyday ways. It is common for children to imitate their parents at different stages of life. They pick up mannerisms, habits, preferences, and even clothing style. It is a sweet reminder that even though Ben and Jennifer live busy, public lives, at home, they are simply parents raising their kids. Just like countless families around the world, Fin's outfit wasn't just fashion. It showed connection, comfort, and a little reflection of his father, the way most children reflect the people who shape their world. A family that moves forward. With grace, even after 2015, Ben and Jennifer have both moved on individually while still walking side by side in their parenting responsibilities. They continue to show that separation does not erase family. It simply reshapes it through shared parenting, open communication, and respect for each other's roles. They have built a foundation of support that benefits their children every day. Seeing Fin embrace Ben's laid-back style is a small moment externally, but emotionally, it says a lot. It reminds people that beyond the headlines and fame, this is a family made of caring parents and children who continue to grow together, learn together, and support each other through new chapters. Fashion may be just clothing, but sometimes a hoodie and a pair of jeans show more than style. They show connection, history, and love. History and love.